Hello. How are you? You looking for some more food? Hamish cleaned out the bird bath for you.
I think we've got a junior on the fence.
Yeah, at the front.
Yeah. By the first pole.
Yeah, he's looking quite good. I might, if I move, he might go.
Yeah.
You after some food? Eh? He's only how far away from me is he, Houston? A metre? Not that.
Oh, a bit more than a metre.
But he's not scared.
No.
And like I'm standing up. Go and have a bath in the nice clean water. Hamish has just washed it out for you.
Hey, how are you? You alright? Hey, you alright?
That was Carolyn who tooted. Oh, hello. Where's he gone? There he is. What's Houston getting? Eh? I think you know what he's getting, don't you? That's why you've come back.
Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah. You want another bit? Hey? Should we break off another little bit? Yeah. Yeah. Come on. There you go. Oh.
So see, Hamish is very close.
Yeah. Hey. Oh. There you go. Look. Look at that. What? Keep knocking it away.
Bye. He just dropped the caterpillar. He's on the deck. Houston?
Yeah.
There he goes. Bye for now.
Oh, you can't see them now, but Dad was up there, and this is Junior. They were sitting together just a minute or two ago. Hey, so there's Dad. He's gone back to the fence, and I don't know if you can see him. Yeah, there he is. See, that's the Junior one. Dad's down there. I'm about to have a bath.
He's in the water. He's still in the water.
Oh, the sparrow just wanted to join him. Oh, a couple of them. They must think it's bathing time.
The baby one's back on the driveway. Yeah?
So the little one, baby's there. So he's got slightly different markings, like he's quite brown front end, tail feathers and that are pretty black. And, oh. Oh. Wish he'd make up his mind. He's having a bath again. God, he's looking a bit rough, isn't he? Hey. Looks like scratching behind the ear. Well, yeah, he's gone. And they've both gone across the road into the Hutt tree.
This is a thrush. I can't zoom in any more than this. He's across the other side of the road. If he turns around, we'll be able to see because of his chest. But he looks too light to be a Mrs. Blackbird. That noise you can hear is Houston cleaning out the bird bath. Yeah, it is a thrush. Come this way, little fella. He's quite nice, isn't he? I think he might be going to fly away in a minute. Going to get a car coming through in a minute. Yeah, I might stop now because he's sort of starting to get a bit further away, I think. Oh no, he's coming closer.
Blackbird's back.
Okay, the blackbird's back. Where is he?
I'm picking up where the stuff left off.
Hello.
Oh,
what was?
Got a friend above you on the a young one on the.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Gone to the water fountain. He's having a drink.
Yeah.